In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to draw Hulk. Step 1. Start with a rough sketch and simple shape. So as you can see here, first I'm drawing a circle, then I'm connecting the jaw and I'm finding the center line. Step 2. Mark the position of the hair of the top of the brows, nose and mouth. So now that we figure out the position of all the features, I'm going to start adding them. So first I'm going to draw the hair and then I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows, the eyes, nose and mouth. So the next step is to start adding a little bit of shadows for the darker areas and start adding more details to the face. So the next step is to start drawing the body, and I'm just going to roughly draw out where everything is going to be first. And make sure that you are sketching this very lightly at first, just to make sure that the proportions are correct, and after you are happy with the proportion and how everything looks, you can start adding more details and more harder lines and shadows. Now that the rough sketch is done and we know where everything is and we are happy with the proportions, I'm gonna start adding the shadows and details to the body, adding some small details like tears on the shorts, and also after I'm going to move on and I'm gonna start drawing and outlining the muscles, the abs, and starting adding the shadows and just making it more detailed. The sketch is finally done, so the next step is to start inking, and for this I'm using some inking pens that I got on Amazon. They are really great, they come in all different sizes from 0.1 to 0.9 millimeters I think, so I'm gonna just link them down in the description below. One tip that I have for inking is just take your time, do it very slow, just to make sure that all the lines are nice and straight and then you don't have any like squiggly lines there. So yeah, just take your time in this part and that's it. So I'm just gonna speed up this process and then I'm gonna go back to you in a moment. For this I am using Ohuhu Brush Markers, which are really cheap markers. You can purchase them on Amazon, check them out. Also, they are really good markers for the price and I highly recommend them. When you are coloring with markers, the first step is to choose the colors. So usually you need 3 or 4 different shades. So first I'm gonna be using the lighter tone, then a mid tone and 2 darker tones. But if you want, you can only use 1 darker tone, but in this case I'm gonna be using 2. So the drawing is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Comment down below what would you like me to do next. Thank you for watching.